you know the time. Let's you go. Until the end, love. Until the end, love.
Who are you?
Queen of Arendelle.
Oh, I know that's right.
Hi, and welcome to behind the scenes of my Frozen inspired table decor. I've did this table. It took me about 2 weeks, and right now you just see me trying to clear the table off because as I was finding my items in the garage, I was bringing them in and just putting them on the table, which is a no-no. I should have had another backup table, and then that way I could have started with a clean slate. But this is what we do behind the scenes as a YouTuber when we are doing our table decor. I believe this day I was having some issues with my back, so it did take me a longer time to get this table cleared off. So I hope you enjoy my Frozen inspired table. This is my Kids Week videos, and we are having a Frozen party the day after Christmas when my granddaughter truly arrives. And in the beginning of the video, you've seen her dressed as Elsa for Halloween, and that was my inspiration to create this table. And like I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. I'll see y'all in another video. Hi everyone, I'm off camera. I am coming down with a cold and my voice is going in and out, and I do not want y'all to hear how crazy it sounds. But welcome to my Frozen party. In this video, it's going to probably be part 1, 2, and 3. This video, you will see me prep and get everything ready. I'll come back on the camera and show you different little things that I've put my own unique touch on years ago. And we are celebrating my Julie Bear's 3rd birthday. Her birthday was in September. She had her little thing at, with her mom. But since she's coming down here to visit me for Christmas, winter recess, her and Ariana, we are inviting 2 little cousins, another cousin, Christina from Jersey, and 2 neighbors are going to come over. We're going to have a big slumber party, make cookies. I hope they don't tear up my house, but I'm throwing a Frozen party for the kids. And we will be filming that once I get permission from their parents to upload. You won't be able to leave any comments because that will be turned on for kids. I don't want to get no copy strike or whatever it's called. But so far I started, everybody has seen these at the Dollar Tree. So I have the snowflakes, and the snowflakes are what is going to be the placemat for the kids. And I think I have 7 kids, and then Miss Marcia will be here for the week as well, so you guys will be able to see my mom. So we're doing a table of 9. 2, 4, 6, 8. So I got to go get another chair, bring that in, and all I started was just a gray plastic tablecloth because the kids are going to be messy, and I can just rip everything up basically, and we could throw stuff away. And I have these new blue ones that they came out with this year. So only me and my mom are going to have these, so the kids will be able to know where they're supposed to sit. And then of course I have my regular blinged out silver chargers. Thank you everyone that watched that video. I got a lot of good views on that video. This is from Home Goods from in the summertime. So that's basically it. I'm probably just going to do a voiceover for a lot of stuff. When I start laying stuff down, I'll come to the camera and just do this, and then I'll do a voiceover. So I'm going to put you in time lapse, and parts of it's going to be time lapse, and then parts of it is going to be regular. So I hope you guys enjoy my Frozen inspired table decor, and I'll be back in the video. Okay, y'all, that was just a little brief clip. Now I am getting ready to put on my chair covers. I have about 50 of these. They do not fit this type of chair, unfortunately. They're for like folded chairs. But they have been just in a bag for 3 years, going to waste. And I'm not ordering anything special. So they will slide on the top, and that is just my main focus, is to have the top of the chair covered and the sides, because we all know the kids, you know, they have messy little hands. So I'm gonna go around, there's one, I'm gonna go around and do all 9 chairs. I really gotta get 10, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I slowed the video down because I did do it in time lapse, but I wanted just to show you some of the detail. I did not film too pretty good here, so bear with me. The chair covers, I was just placing them to make sure they fit. I did take them off camera, and they are all ironed and, you know, steamed, so we have a clean look. And now I'm just gathering the plates that were thrifted. You can see the baby blue plates, and then I added frozen plates also. Some children have blue and white plates, and then some just have all white plates. And then you see the cake domes that I created probably about 5 years ago when Ariana was 3. I DIY'd them to, you know, make the table a little more grand. I have one, as you see right there, that the glitter is coming off, but I did not have time to redo it. And in the middle of the table, I have 7 baby blue cookie cans, and that's going to be to hold other cookies. And off camera, I did not film. I used my Silhouette Cameo 4 machine, and I printed out all their names in silver. And you'll be able to see that in the part 2 of the video. This is just really me prepping the table, trying to come up with different ideas of how I'm going to display it. So be on the lookout for my part 2, which will air this Friday. And then part 3 will be next week after Christmas, once the kids get here and I get it filmed. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.